This guy is a real jerk. He thinks the rules don't apply to him and treats all of the preserves and trails like his personal off-leash playground for his dog. How many ways can one dog owner be a jerk? This is not the way to let your dog out of the car, jerk. A leash dog only counts as a leash dog if the owner is holding the leash at all times and not just when others are watching. What a jerk. These are picnic tables, not grooming platforms, you jerk. Hey jerk, pick up after your dog. Letting your dog wander far ahead sets up potential collisions with other trail users. Jerk. Pay attention to your dog, you jerk, and use that leash in your hand. That's not what we meant. Put the leash on the dog, jerk. Hey jerk, nice job finally using a leash, but it's way too long and a disaster waiting to happen. Leashes need to be no more than 10 feet long. We love seeing dogs in the preserves, but please follow the rules to avoid being a jerk. Jerks can easily ruin the experience for everyone else, so don't be a jerk.